Hello everyone! Would you like to meet my construction truck friends? First to meet is Rick the Road Roller. He's so great at making flat roads. He doesn't have to lift any heavy loads. Up next is Ryan the Wrecking Ball Crane. Ryan's an expert at smashing down walls, but he sometimes loses his wrecking balls. Here's Dylan the dump truck. He transports rock from the quarry. No one else can do his job, not even a lorry. Eric the excavator is Dylan's best friend. Eric works with Dylan to pick up all the rock, but his theme park ride can give quite a shock. Celia the cement mixer is next. Celia's always been a valuable member of the team. She's helped me mix up paint and serve yummy ice cream. It's Caroline the crane. Caroline extends until she reaches the sky, which is super helpful when building things high. Finally, we have Florence the forklift truck. Florence is happy at home in her playful warehouse. She may be fast, but she's as quiet as a mouse. And there we have it, all my construction truck friends.
There's a new construction site in town. Look at all the trucks driving up and down. We can wave at them as they pass by and clap, clap, clap. They all gather round to check the plans. A construction site needs many hands. Danny the digger is called in first to dig, dig, dig. Digging, digging, dig, dig, dig. Danny digs and digs all day. Digging, digging, dig, dig, dig. Digging in his happy way. Now the hole is ready for the foundation. Celia backs up to pour the concrete in. First she has to mix it in her mixing drum. Then fill, fill, fill. Filling, filling, fill, fill, fill. Celia mixes and fills all day. Filling, filling, fill, fill, fill. Filling in her happy way. Now it's time to build the metal frame. That's when they need Caroline the crane. Picking up the girders to fix in place. She'll lift, lift, lift. Lifting, lifting, lift, lift, lift. Caroline lifts and lifts all day. Lifting, lifting, lift, lift, lift. Lifting in her happy way. Working, working, work, work, work. All the big trucks will work all day. Working, working, work, work, work. In their happy way.
Here at the construction site, the team are going to build 5 colourful new houses. But these 5 old broken buildings need to go first. And smashing down old buildings is what Ryan was made for. There are 5 buildings to be knocked down. This building is by far the worst. I think it should be knocked down first. Crash and bash and smash some more. There were 5, but now there's 4. The second has a sturdy wall, but it's no match for Ryan's ball. Crash and bash and smash, hee hee. There were 4, but now there's 3. This third one's in a real state. Look at Ryan. He can't wait. Crash and bash and smash. Woohoo! There were 3, but now there's 2. The 4th building is just a shell. Okay, Ryan, smash this as well. Crash and bash and smash. Well done. There were 2, but now there's 1. The final building that Ryan's found needs smashing down to the ground. Crash and bash and smash. What a hero! There was 1, but now there's 0. Smashing work, Ryan! Now Ryan's smashed up the old buildings. He's made a terrible mess. Danny the digger, Eric the excavator, and Dylan the dump truck can help tidy up. Ryan the wrecking ball crane has just knocked down a load of old buildings. My cleanup crew are here to clear the construction site, ready to build some colourful new houses. Yellow! Eric! A construction site isn't a safe place to play. You're supposed to be working as a team, helping your friends to clear the site. They can't do it without you. It's time to get back to work, please. Danny the digger is using his giant shovel to push the rubble into larger piles. Eric the excavator is using his bucket to lift the rubble up and load it into Dylan the dump truck. And Yellow Mechanical is making sure the trucks are working together as a team. Now Dylan is fully loaded. He's driving the rubble over to the recycling centre. These old bricks will be smashed up into smaller pieces to help build new roads. Some of them will be ground into dust and used to make new bricks. Brilliant! It's time to build some big houses today. Celia's pouring out cement into the mechanicals' buckets. They're going to finish building the walls. The mechanicals are having a bricklaying race to see who can build their walls the fastest. Red Mechanical has red bricks. Orange Mechanical has orange bricks. Yellow Mechanical has yellow bricks. Green Mechanical has green bricks. Blue Mechanical has blue bricks. Oh dear, Blue. You've hardly started your walls. Never mind. The other mechanicals have nearly finished theirs, so I'm sure they'll help you. There's lots of shapes on a building site. Can you help me name them? Can you see what shape the bricks are? That's right. The bricks are made of rectangle shapes. There! All 5 houses have their walls finished. Great teamwork, everyone! Now, these houses need roofs to keep the rain out. Here comes Larry the lorry and Caroline the crane carrying the roofs. Can you see what shape the roofs are? That's right. The roofs are made of triangle shapes. Thanks to Larry and Caroline's hard work, the houses have all got their roofs on now. Ah, here comes Chelsea the cherry picker. Chelsea's going to lift me up to the top floor to fit these windows. Can you see what shape these windows are? That's right. The windows are made of square shapes. Brilliant work, team. Thanks to all your hard work, we've finished building 5 new colourful houses. Do you remember all the shapes that we've seen? The bricks are rectangles. The roofs are triangles. And the windows are squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, team, let's get to work. Can you help me count the trucks whilst they're doing their important jobs? Here's vehicle number 1. It's Celia with her churning drum. Florence is vehicle number 2. She's got a very important job to do. Danny is vehicle number 3. He's digging a hole to plant a tree. And here comes vehicle number 4. Mia helps Danny to dig some more. Rick the road roller is number 5. Flattening out that tarmac drive. Dylan the dump truck is number 6. He's loaded up with tons of bricks. His giant brother George is the number 7 truck, hauling an enormous load of muck. Ryan is vehicle number 8, smashing down walls with his heavy weight. Caroline the crane is number 9, lifting up our Gecko's garage sign. Sid the skid loader is number 10, always ready to help his friends. Are you ready to count them one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 helpful construction trucks. Danny and his family look very tired and very muddy after all their hard work. You can't even tell who's who. I think it's time to get cleaned up. Danny, Caroline, Ryan, Celia. It's time to bring everyone over to Gecko's garage so that you can get all cleaned up in our truck and car wash. How many yucky, mucky construction vehicles need cleaning up today? Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 muddy construction vehicles needing a wash. Let's start cleaning you all up so that we can see who is who. One at a time. into the car wash. Smallest construction vehicle first. Our first vehicle's the smallest, but she more than pulls her weight. It's Florence the fabulous forklift. She helps lift pallets and crates. The second through is little too, but his talent never ends. Tiny Sid, the skid loader, loves helping all his friends. 3 is waving her scooping arm. You really can't have missed her. It's Mia, the mini digger. She's Danny's little sister. Vehicle 4 won't let you down, even when things get bumpy. It's Rick, the reliable road roller. He stops roads being lumpy. I think we all know number 5, even if he's covered in gloop. That's right, it's Danny the digger, with his brand new extra scoop. Number 6 is in a fix, all muddy, tired and glum. It's Celia, the cement mixer, with her churning, spinning drum. Number 7 really makes a mess when he carries things around. Yes, it's Dylan the dump truck, always tips stuff on the ground. And number 8 loves breaking things, always has a smashing time. It's Ryan, the wrecking ball crane. So there's just 2 more left to rhyme. Our 9th friend is... Uh-oh. Oh dear, this is a problem. The 2 largest vehicles won't fit in our truck wash. They're far too big. We're going to have to wash them another way. This looks like a job for the mechanicals. Go, go, mechanicals! Our 9th friend's too big for the truck wash. She's so giant there just wasn't room. It's Caroline, the mobile crane, with her telescopic boom. We've already cleaned up 1 dump truck, but now there is 1 other. George, the giant dump truck. He's Dylan's big brother. Fantastic. Everyone looks shiny and clean. Now you're all washed and clean, you can get a good night's sleep before getting muddy all over again tomorrow.